All right, welcome to this class, which is a mix between yoga and animal flow. So if you are familiar with sun salutations of yoga, this is a great class for you to expand your movements and to learn the basics of animal flow. This is my friend Maxime, and we are here in Bali, enjoying the weather and enjoying the practice with you. So let's get into it. To start the practice, stand tall. We're gonna start with few deep squats. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, let's go deep down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Keep the spine straight, arms up, chest open. And let's go into this, all of us together. Let's bring the best out of this practice. 5 more like this. Inhale up. Exhale fully down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3 more. The last one, up and fully down. Very good. Let's bring the hands. We interlace the hands. As we're gonna work a lot on our body weight, we wanna make sure to warm up the wrist very well. So for this one, you wanna make sure to bring the wrist on 4 directions: forward, left, back, and to the right. Mindful movements, very slow, looking for those cracks, pops in the wrist. The weather here is amazing, sun is beautiful, and we are practicing this with you. Very good. Second one, we want to start to bring those waves from one side to another. Just few of these. Change the side. Nice. This is a little bit of coordination. If you have one side better than the other one, it's a great coordination practice. Very good. Let's shake the hands. Bring the body down. And let's start with our first position of animal flow, is this deep 8. Open up the arms and bring the heels up. Chest open, palms facing up, arms. Try to activate the arms so I cannot take them down. Everything is active. Exhale, bring it down. Reach forward, palms facing up to the sides. Take a deep inhale, open up. Heels up. Exhale down. Reach forward. Inhale up. And exhale down. 2 more like this. Forward reach. Inhale up. And exhale down. Last one. Reach. Try to reach even deeper by bringing the palms as far as you can. And take a deep inhale, open up. Exhale down. Very good. Second position of animal flow today is this tabletop pose. Let's start with few cat-cow pose. Let's inhale, concave the back, look forward, and try to bring the shoulders blade toward each other. Exhale, push the ground away. Inhale, look forward. Exhale. The sun is really strong today, but it's always good. Inhale, forward. Exhale, down. One more. Exhale, down. Very good. Let's bring the knees under the belly button. Rest, elbows, shoulders on one line. Palms open and strong. That will give you a good foundation on your practice. Tuck the toes, bring the knees up. So these are activations for animal flow. This move is called beast. Let's take the right hand, only the right hand up. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Left hand up. Also the knees are down, just to slide a piece of paper in between. 3, 2, 1. Right leg up, only the right leg. And we change, left leg up. And we bring it down. Keep the knees up. We're going for a contralateral lift. Right hand, left leg. Find that nice stability. So the secret is in that left hand. Change, contralateral, right hand, left leg. Sorry, right leg, left hand. And down. Whew. That was intense. You can see in very short moves, you can have a lot of activation and sweat. Let's go for our third move, which is our crab position. Nice. So from the side, it looks like a capital M. The hips are down, chest is open, chin slightly up. Beautiful. Let's take the right leg up. Nice. Change, left leg up. And we change, we take the right hand up, only the right hand. And we change, left hand up. Going for a contralateral lift, left leg with the right hand. Great. We change. Opposite limbs. Stability. And come to the breath. Exhale, bring it down. Very good. For the next exercise is a transition between beast and crab. So let's start from this beast position. Knees under belly button. Straighten the arms and bring the knees up. If we say a right leg under switch is contralateral limbs always go up, so right leg up with the opposite hand. Under switch, you go under, you find yourself in a hopefully perfect crab. Left leg under switch, left leg up with the right hand. Heel up this time, take the heel up and go under. Plant at the same time. Right leg under switch. Left leg under switch, heel up. Cheville. Nice. That will give you more rotations. Right leg under switch. Right leg under switch, perfect. Left leg under switch. Cheville, take the heel up. So Maxime is French, so cheville means heels. Right leg under switch. Left leg under switch. Nice. And the last one, right leg under switch. We come to a crab. Very good. Shake your hands. Bring the palms to the heart. Elbows to the side, down. This is a great relieving pose. After pushing into the wrist, you want to push out as well. Nice. This takes us to our last part of the practice, which is the primary salutation. Starting standing up. Let's take a moment to connect, to calm down the breath, and to ground ourselves by pushing into the toes, pushing the weight of the body down, the energy down. Maybe close the eyes for a moment and slow down the heartbeat. This is a great moment to practice your movement when you are actually warmed up but still alert and not too tired. Open up the eyes, take a deep inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, sink deep down on that deep squat. Palms to the ground, straighten the legs. Step walk to plank pose. Negative push-up. Start to sink down slowly and keep the elbows inside. Untuck the toes. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Let's take a moment for 3 breaths here. Look forward. Look forward and jump into that deep squat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, stand tall. Very good. This was round number 1. We're going for round 2 and 3 with different variations. Inhale up, elongate even more the spine, try to reach even higher. Exhale, fall down. Palms to the mat. Straighten the legs. Now start to try to shift the weight to the hands. Maybe push the ground away and fly a little bit. This is gonna be challenging, but if you're not there, it's totally fine. Push into the hands and come to a plank pose. Great. Maintain a good plank. Straighten the hands. Push into the scapular. Keep the body straight. Like if you try to push, you cannot push. Very good. Keep the breath going. Even if it's challenging, try to come back to the breath through the nose. Shift the weight forward and bend the elbows. Untuck the toes. Inhale, upward dog. Try to open up the chest. Bring the elbows, bring the shoulders blade toward each other to open your heart. Exhale, down. Bend the knees, bring the hips to the heels into this loaded beast position. So we bring the right knee to the left wrist, we load the tail of the scorpion, bring it up to a right leg scorpion reach, keep the heel up and to try to sink maybe a little bit deeper. We stay with the breath. And with an exhale, bring the right foot in between the hands. Inhale, come to your warrior one. Squeeze that left glute and go even deeper into your movement. Chest open, elbows straight, arms straight. Exhale, palms to the mat. Right leg up high. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, down dog. We're going to the left side. Bend the knees. Loaded beast. Left knee to the right wrist. Into a left leg scorpion reach. Now if you're not here into your scorpion, it's totally fine. The more you do the practice, the more the move gets deeper. Maintain a good breath. And with an exhale, bring the left foot in between. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms down. Left leg to the back. Chaturanga, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Look forward, bend the knees, and jump into that deep ape. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, stand tall. Very good. Last round. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, down. Palms to the mat. Straighten the legs. Now this time, if you want to work on your press into handstand, this is the time to do it. If not, it's totally fine. Press into your wrist. Rise up into that handstand. Plank. Inhale up. Exhale, downward dog. Find a nice breath pattern into the nose. Ujjayi breath is always great. Bend the knees, hips to the heels, look forward. Right knee to the left wrist, scorpion reach. Now this time, we're gonna do a full scorpion. I want you to trust that foot in the air while you continue the move on the edge knife of the left foot. So you come down into a modified crab. Very good. From here, we're gonna inhale, elongate, nice. Exhale, bring it down. Exhale, come back to the modified crab. Inhale up, and exhale down. Now the third one, we're gonna roll back to our scorpion. Inhale, roll back, keep the leg up, and with an exhale, bring the foot in between the hands. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms down, left leg up. Inhale, downward upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left leg up and high. Left knee to the right wrist. Scorpion reach. Great job. Continue the move by using that knife edge of the feet and trusting the leg. Great. Inhale up. Exhale, coming down. Inhale more up. Exhale down. The last one, we're gonna roll back. Inhale, roll back, high. Left foot in between into warrior one. Try to sink deeper by squeezing that right glute, maintaining a great posture. Whatever you are right now is totally fine. Don't judge yourself. Be in the practice and you will see great results. You will be amazed with yourself. Palms down, left leg up. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Now slow down the heartbeat. And it's always great to come to a gratitude state. Thanking yourself to show up, thanking yourself to do your practice. Look forward, bend the knees, and jump to that deep squat. Bring the palms to the heart center. And slowly sink the hips down. Try to bring the legs forward into a low boat. Try to close that gap in between the lower back and the ground. We're staying here for 10 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, let it go. That's amazing. We will finish up the practice by coming a little bit up. Bring the right leg on top of the left knee, right foot on top of the left knee. Sink the body down, hands on a T shape. Right foot to the ground and look to the right side. So you look to the opposite side. Very good. Come back to the middle. Change the leg. Left foot on top of the right knee. Hands on a T shape. Left foot sinks to the right side and you look to the opposite, to the left. and slowly bring it back to the middle. Do this bridge pose or shavasana, whatever you feel like. Stay in the pose until you feel comfortable to stand up again. I trust you enjoyed the practice. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.